What do you think? Not a bad one. Wrong way. That way. There you go. You know, I like these flankers. As soon as I got them from FishLab, instead of grabbing it by the belly, take a look. See all the scratches in the back part? That's from the teeth. It actually inhaled it. I had to really pull those trebles out to release it. But look at that. The back part here is all shredded. So it came from behind. It followed from behind and swallowed it whole. I'm on. Using my GT reel, I'm on. And I'm using the Flanker lure. It's not a big fish, small one, but it's the first time I'm trying the Flanker here. I like the Flankers, huh? Oh, here he comes. Look at that. Looks like a Papi'o. It is. Okay. Big one too. Woohoo! All right. Nice size. It's a white. Nice size. First fish I've ever caught using this. Okay. Whew. Oh, he's not happy. He's making all those noises. Good size. Very good size. Oh, he swallowed it. Darn it. Really got in there. He swallowed it. Normally, sometimes you catch on the outside, but he swallowed it. There.